Hello, this is Benjamin with ARI. The point of this video will be to take you through how to add tax exemptions to specific types of items that you are currently selling on your site in your parts, clothing, and accessories area or your shop online area of your site. If you happen to live in a state in which items like clothing sales tax does not apply, then this particular video will be for you. To configure this information, we'll go into Configuration and Regional and City Taxes. In a previous video, I showed you how to configure your effective tax rate for your particular state so that your customers get charged the correct state and city sales tax for those items. But for today, we'll go into Add Tax Exceptions. Once this page loads, let's say in your state, as per previously discussed, clothing items do not have any sales tax on them. You would want to go through and select all particular types of clothing that would apply to the clothing area. So we have footwear, we have gloves, and I'm sure there are more in here, protective gear, and other categories that apply to that clothing description. Once you have all of those checked that you would like to exclude from the tax rate that you've set up in that previous video, click Save. And then should your customer try to order any of those items, they will not be charged tax for those items that you have selected. We'll click back to our dashboard. This has been Benjamin with Configuring Tax Exemptions for Parts, Clothing, and Accessories in your CMS editor for your responsive website. Thank you.